Hi viewers, Vanakkam, Selamat datang and welcome to Siva'S Cuisines. Today we are going to do an evening snack called Karipap udang. Without delaying any further time, let us go in straight to the ingredients. You will need 1 onion. We'll dice them up. 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger. A teaspoon of dried shrimps soaked in water. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. You need to mix both of them with water and keep aside. I've taken about 150 grams of shrimps which I've cut into 1 cm lengths. You can take any sizes you want, but try to keep it to 1 cm length. And mix them with turmeric powder and keep aside. Then I've diced up, I boiled actually these potatoes. Alright, they are boiled and then I've cut them into small squares like this. I've taken about 4 potatoes. Okay. Then you need coriander leaves. For making the dough, we need around 400 grams of all-purpose flour. Together with it, I'll be adding a teaspoon of couple water, what you call it, lime water. Lime water. It's not the green lime, it is the powdered lime. Okay? And then you need Daisy Planta margarine, 2 teaspoons, and also 2 tablespoons of hot oil, which I'm going to mix together with the dough with a little bit of salt, maybe half a teaspoon of salt. Hi friends, okay, now I'm going to do up the dough. It is the all-purpose flour, 400 grams, and half a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of margarine, let the margarine get well mixed with the flour. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of hot oil now. Hot oil. And add in the air kapo. Then you add a bit of water, a little by little, to mix in the dough. Okay, we have done doughing. We got to let it sit for a while. While it's sitting for a while, we will prepare the fillings for the karipap. Okay, close and keep aside. Okay friends, we are now going to do the fillings for the karipap. First add in the onions. Then we'll add in the shrimp, dry shrimp. the garlic and ginger. Let the onions get cooked until they are translucent before we can add in the chili paste and coriander powder. Okay, now we'll add in the chili paste. This was 2 teaspoons of red chili and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. Add in some water. Now I will add in the cooked potatoes. I'll need to add in a little more water, maybe a quarter cup. And now I'll add in the prawns. And the cumin powder. Now we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, I'll lower the heat a bit and let it cook till the oil rises. Now I'm going to add in the coriander leaves. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Alright friends, the fillings for the karipaps are ready. Now I'm going to switch off the stove and take them out. Alright friends, I'm going to now do the dough. Take a small piece like this. Just keep turning them. Just keep turning them. Now it is not so thick or so thin, just nice. Right? Put them onto your dough maker. Push them to the sides. Add the filling. Add the filling and you close them. And here we have one. Alright friends, now I'm heating up the oil. Once it's hot, later you have to reduce the heat to medium. Okay, the oil is hot. I'm going to put them in one by one. Okay friends, I think they are ready. I will take them out one by one. Dear friends, here we go, the shrimp Karipap or udang Karipaps. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment box. Alright, I would really like to know any comments that you viewers have. For those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe and press the notification bell. Thank you and see you again. Bye. Okay, after a hard day's work, I need to see how it came out. See this? Nice. You should try this. Love it with the shrimp and the coriander.